Our next topic, that is third topic in application of derivatives, tangents and normals. Meaning of tangent and normal and equation of tangents normal to a curve we have to discuss in this video. Before that, you should know some information about straight lines. If angle between line and x-axis measured in anti-clockwise direction is theta, then we can write slope of line as tan theta. Or in other form, if 2 points on a line is given, then slope of line we can write as y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1. These parts you have covered in previous class, and also you have learned in class 11 that two lines are parallel. It implies slope of first line equal to slope of second line. If M1 represents slope of first line and M2 is the slope of second line, then slope of lines are equal. And second result, if two lines are perpendicular to each other, then product of slopes equal to minus 1. And third, equation of a line passing through points x1, y1 and x2, y2 is given by y minus y1 equal to mx minus x1, where m equal to y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1. Or if only one point given, then also you can write equation of line as y minus y1 equal to m x minus x1, where m represent slope of line, which you can find using formula m equal to tan theta if theta is given. Otherwise, if 2 points given, then slope of line we can write as y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1. It is basic information which is required in this chapter. Now, main topic, equation of tangent. If equation of curve is given as y equal to fx and a point on the curve given as AB, means coordinates of point is a comma b, then slope of tangent to the curve at point P is given by value of dy by dx at AB, because already we have covered in differentiation, dy by dx represent slope of tangent to the curve at a point. So therefore, dy by dx represents slope of tangent to the curve y equal to fx at given point a comma b. And equation of tangent to the curve at that point AB we can write as y minus y1 equal to mx minus x1. Y minus y1, here value of y1 is given as b and x1 a. Therefore, equation of tangent is y minus b equal to mx minus a. If tangent is parallel to x-axis, already you know if any line is parallel to x-axis, then slope of line or slope of tangent is 0. Because if line is parallel to x-axis means angle between tangent and x-axis 0 and value of tan 0 is 0. Therefore, slope of tangent is 0 if it is parallel to x-axis. And if tangent is parallel to y-axis, then slope of tangent is not defined, which we can write as 1 upon 0. Now, for equation of normal, if equation of curve given as y equal to fx and point is AB, then slope of tangent we can write as m dy by dx at AB, means slope of normal we can write with the help of slope of tangent. Since at any point tangent and normal both are perpendicular to each other, and if two lines are perpendicular to each other, it implies product of slopes equal to minus 1. It implies slope of normal if we assume as m dash into slope of tangent m equal to minus 1 or m dash equal to minus 1 upon m. And therefore equation of normal we can write at point AB as y minus b equal to m dash x minus a, where m dash represent slope of normal, or y minus b equal to value of m dash is minus 1 upon m, is minus 1 upon m into x minus a. Now here in figure you can observe two axes given, x and y axis. Curve y equal to fx given. At point P having coordinates AB, a tangent is drawn. Angle between tangent and x-axis is given as theta. It implies slope of tangent is tan theta. And at point P, if we draw perpendicular line or perpendicular to the tangent, then this perpendicular line is known as normal to the curve at point P. First, if any point given, tangent means a line which touches the curve at point P is known as tangent, and normal means a line which is perpendicular to the tangent at point P is known as normal. Now some questions, and before solving question you should know the process by which you can solve the question. For every question of curve given, first you write equation of curve, then second step differentiate and find the value of dy by dx. Then third step, slope of tangent to the curve at point AB. If point AB is given, then we can write m equal to dy by dx at AB. And then equation of tangent using formula y minus y1 equal to mx minus x1, means y minus b equal to mx minus a. And second case, if slope of normal we can write as m dash equal to minus 1 upon m equal to minus 1 upon value of m is dy by dx at ABR, which we can write as minus dx by dy at AB. And then equation of normal to the curve at point AB we can write as y minus b equal to m dash x minus a, or in place of m dash we can write as minus 1 upon m. In this process you can find equation of tangent or equation of normal at the given point. Now some questions which are important. First, find the equation of tangent and normal to the curve at the point having coordinates 1, 1. Algorithm already we have discussed. Step first, you have to write equation of curve. Then step second, differentiate with respect to x. 2, differentiation of y is dy by dx equal to differentiation of 3, 0 minus differentiation of x square is 2x. It implies dy by dx equal to minus x. Step second over. Step third, you have to write slope of tangent. Slope of tangent means the value of dy by dx at the given point. At given point means 1, 1. 1, 1 means value of x is 1 and y 1. To write down the slope of tangent, m equal to dy by dx at 1, 1. In place of x, write down 1. You are getting slope of tangent as minus 1. Then equation of tangent to the curve at point 1, 1 we can write using formula y minus b equal to mx minus a. Value of a and b, x coordinate means a, y coordinates b. 1, 1, value of a and b 1, 1. Slope value of m given as minus 1. Therefore, y equal to minus x plus 1 and minus 1 transfer right side plus 1, or x plus y equal to 2. In this process, you are getting equation of tangent at the given point. To find the equation of normal, first you write slope of normal at the given point. Slope of normal means m dash equal to minus 1 upon m. Minus 1 upon value of m already covered as minus 1 equal to minus minus plus value of m dash is 1. Therefore, equation of normal at the given point we can write as y minus b equal to m dash x minus a, means y minus 1 equal to 1 into x minus 1. Open the bracket and simplify. After solving, you are getting result as y equal to x, or x minus y equal to 0 is the equation of normal at the given point. Next, second question. Find the equations of tangent on those points on the curve where the tangents are parallel to the x-axis. Means given equation of curve is 9x square plus 16y square equal to 144. We have to find the equation of tangent at the points where tangent is parallel to x-axis. Tangent is parallel to x-axis means slope of tangent equal to 0. First write given equation of line as 9x square plus 16y square equal to 144. Same process, second step, differentiate with respect to x. 9 into differentiation of x square is 2x. 9 into 2, 18x plus 16. Differentiation of y square is 2y dy by dx. 16 into 2, 32y dy by dx. Therefore, 18x transfer right side and write down the value of dy by dx as minus 9x upon 16y. Therefore, it is given that tangent is parallel to x-axis means slope of tangent is 0 means dy by dx is 0. And if dy by dx 0 means minus 9x upon 16y equal to 0. 16y transfer right side, so minus 9x equal to 0 or x equal to 0. Put x equal to 0 in the given equation of curve. In place of x, write down 0. 9 into x square means 0 plus 16y square equal to 144, or y square equal to 16 9 ja 144 means y square equal to 9 or y equal to plus minus 3. In this process, you are getting the values of x and y. Value of x is 0 and 2 values of y you are getting means there are 2 points on the curve at 0 3 and 0 minus 3 at which tangents are parallel to x-axis. Now next you have to find equation of tangent. First point is given as 0 3. Therefore equation of tangent at this point. Before that, slope of tangent. Already using formula we are writing, or directly we can write since tangent is parallel to x-axis, therefore slope of tangent is 0. And then equation of tangent directly we can write as y minus y1 equal to mx minus x1 means y minus 3 equal to 0 into x minus 0 or y equal to 3. Now next step, slope of tangent at point 0 minus 3. Second point is 0 minus 3. Again at this point also tangent is parallel to x-axis means slope is 0. And therefore equation of tangent at second point is given by y minus b and value of b is minus 3. Therefore y plus 3 equal to 0 into x minus 0 or y plus 3 equal to 0. In this process you are getting equation of tangents at point 0 3 and 0 minus 3 which are parallel to x-axis. Now next question, question number 3. In this question you have to write equations of normals at the point where normals are parallel to x-axis. In previous question, tangents was parallel to x-axis. Here normals are parallel to x-axis. Accurate same procedure like question number 2. Step first, write equation of curve. Second step, differentiate and find the value of dy by dx as minus 9x upon 16y. Since normal is parallel to x-axis, therefore directly we can write slope of normal is 0. And slope of normal is 0 means m dash equal to 0 means minus 1 upon dy by dx equal to 0 or dx by dy equal to 0. Just put the value of dx by dy, you are getting as y equal to 0. Put the value of y0 in equation number 1 and you will get values of x as 9x square plus 0 equal to 144 or x square equal to 16 or x equal to plus minus 4. Hence, since normal are parallel to x-axis, therefore slope of normal to the curve at points 4, 0 or minus 4, 0 is 0. That is m dash equal to 0. Hence, equation of normal to the curve at first point 4, 0 is y minus 0 equal to mx minus 4, or after solving you will get y equal to 0. At second point, equation of normal to the curve y minus 0 equal to m x plus 4, after solving y equal to 0. Are also in examination without solving directly we can write equation of normal. Since normal is parallel to x-axis, it implies slope of normal is 0. First information. Second, points lies on x-axis. If point lies on x-axis, means a line which passes through point 40 or minus 40 parallel to x-axis, it implies normal coincide with x-axis. And if normal coincide with x-axis, then directly we can write slope of normal at given points is y equal to 0. Without solving also we can write answer. Now next question. Question number 4. Find the equation of normals on those points on the curve where the normals are parallel to the line x plus 14y plus 4 equal to 0. First step, write the equation of curve y equal to x cube plus 2x plus 6. Differentiate with respect to x, you will get dy by dx equal to differentiation of x cube is 3x square plus differentiation of 2x is 2 and plus differentiation of 6 0. Since point is not given, the let point on the curve as a comma b, at which normal is parallel to given line. Therefore, slope of normal at given point is we can write using formula m dash equal to minus 1 upon m. Minus 1 upon m means slope of tangent means dy by dx at ab equal to minus 1 upon value of dy by dx at ab means 3a square plus 2. That is written here. Slope of normal we are getting as minus 1 upon 3a square plus 2. Since given equation of line x plus 14y plus 4 equal to 0, our line we can write as y equal to minus 1 upon 14x minus 2 upon 7. Means line we are writing in the form of y equal to mx plus c, where coefficient of x represents slope of line. If any equation of line we are writing as y equal to mx plus c form, then m means coefficient of x represent slope of line. Hence, slope of given line equal to minus 1 upon 14. Now here easily you can observe slope of normal is m dash equal to minus 1 upon 3a square plus 2 and slope of line minus 1 upon 14. Since normal is parallel to the line, and if normal is parallel to the line, it implies slope of normal at given point p equal to slope of line, and slope of line equal to minus 1 upon 14. It implies slope of normal is minus 1 upon 14. And already we have calculated slope of normal as minus 1 upon 3a square plus 2. Minus cancel out. Cross multiplication. 3a square plus 2 equal to 14. Or a square equal to 4. Or a equal to plus minus 2. You are getting two values of a, plus 2 and minus 2. As point AB lies on first, so equation of curve we can write y equal to x cube plus 2x plus 6. In place of y, write down b. B equal to a cube plus 2a plus 6. If a equal to 2, then find the value of b, which is equal to 18. 2 cube plus 2 into 2 plus 6. So 2 cube 8 plus 4 plus 6 14. And if a equal to minus 2, then value of b is minus 6. Therefore, you are getting 2 points on the curve 2, 18 and minus 2, minus 6, at which normal is parallel to given line. Now on first point, we have to find equation of normal. Just use formula y minus y1 or y minus b equal to m dash x minus a. Y minus b, y minus 18 equal to m dash minus 1 upon 14 x minus 2. Multiply by 14 both sides. 14y minus 252 equal to minus x plus 2. Or further simplify, x transfer left side, x plus 14y equal to 254. On first point, you are getting equation of normal. Now second point, minus 2 minus 6. Equation of normal again is formula y minus b equal to m dash x minus a. Here value of b is minus 6 and a minus 2. So y plus 6 equal to minus 1 upon 14 in bracket x plus 2. Multiply by 14 and simplify. After solving, you will get result as x plus 14y equal to minus 86. In this pattern, you are getting equation of normals at the point 2, 18 and minus 2, minus 6. Now next question. Find the equation of tangent to the curve y equal to under root 3x minus 2, which is parallel to the line. Question is same like question number 4. Only difference in question number 4, you have to find equation of normal, and here you have to find equation of tangent. First you write equation of curve, differentiate it with respect to x. The differentiation of y means dy by dx equal to under root. Differentiation of root x is 1 upon 2 root x. Here 1 upon 2 under root 3x minus 2 into differentiation of 3x minus 2, that is 3. Just using chain rule, we are getting value of dy by dx. Therefore, let point AB be a point on curve first, at which tangent is parallel to the line. Therefore, slope of tangent at given point we can write as value of dy by dx at AB means 3 upon 2 under root 3a minus 2. In place of x, write down a. Now given equation of line 4x minus 2y plus 5 equal to 0 are converted in the form of y equal to mx plus c, and you are getting slope of line as 2. Again, since tangent is parallel to the line, it implies slope of tangent equal to slope of line. Slope of tangent and slope of line both is same as equal to 2. In this pattern, you are getting slope of tangent at given point is 2. But already we have calculated slope of tangent at point as 3 upon 2 under root 3a minus 2 equal to 2. Cross multiply. 4 under root 3a minus 2 equal to 3. 4 transfer right side and squaring both sides. 3a minus 2 equal to 9 upon 16. Or 3a equal to 9 upon 16 plus 2 is 41 upon 16. Or a equal to 41 upon 48. Since point AB lies on first, therefore we can find value of B with the help of A. B equal to under root 3a minus 2. In place of a, write down 41 upon 48. Simplify, 9 upon 16 equal to 3 upon 4. So therefore, point on the curve having a 41 upon 48 and b as 3 upon 4. Now next step, equation of tangent at the given point we can write using formula y minus b equal to mx minus a. Y minus b means 3 upon 4 equal to slope of tangent mx minus a. Open the bracket, 2x minus 41 upon 24, multiply by 24 in both sides, 24y minus 18 equal to 48x minus 41, or further simplify, 23 equal to 48x minus 24y, or 48x minus 24y equal to 23. In this pattern, you can solve the question and find the equation of tangent at given point. Now next, question number 6, last question, and this question is very important for board examination purpose. Prove that the curves y equal to x square and xy equal to k cut at right angle if 8k square equal to 1. First, note down given equation of curves y equal to x square as equation first, xy equal to k as equation second. Find out intersection point of these two curves. From y equal to x square, in second equation put x into x square equal to k, or x cube equal to k, or x equal to k power 1 upon 3. Put value of x equal to k power 1 upon 3 in equation first. You will get value of y equal to x square means k power 2 by 3. Hence, intersection point of these two curves you are getting as k power 1 by 3 comma k power 2 by 3. Your first task, two equations of curve given, solve and find out intersection point. Now at the intersection point you have to find equation of tangent both the curve, and after that you have to solve. First, from equation first we have y equal to x square. Differentiate dy by dx equal to 2x. At given point, now you have to write slope of tangent. Slope of tangent to the curve at given point is m1 equal to dy by dx, or value of dy by dx at x equal to k1 power 1 by 3 and y equal to k power 2 by 3. So put the value, you are getting 2 into k power 1 by 3. Again, from equation second we have xy equal to k. Differentiate with respect to x. Apply product rule, first function differentiation of second plus second differentiation of first one equal to 0. It is equation second xy equal to k. Therefore, dy by dx equal to minus y upon x. Again, write down the slope of tangent to the curve at given point means m2 equal to value of dy by dx at k power 1 by 3, k power 2 by 3. In place of y, write down k power 2 by 3 upon k power 1 by 3. A power m upon a power n equal to a power m minus n means k power 2 by 3 minus 1 by 3 equal to k power 1 by 3 with minus. Since curves intersect each other at right angle, therefore product of slopes means m1 into m2 equal to minus 1. Put the value of m1 m2 as minus 1 means minus 2 k power 2 by 3 equal to minus 1, minus cancel out, cube of both sides, so 2 cube 8 and k power 2 by 3 whole cube means k square equal to 1 cube 1, and you are getting required result. Now questions for practice. Question number 1. Find the equations of normal to the curve at given point 2, 2. In question number 2, find the point on the curve x square plus y square plus 2x minus 3 equal to 0 at which tangent is parallel to x-axis. And question number 3, find the equation of tangent to the curve 9y square minus 4x square equal to 36, which is parallel to the line 8x minus 15y equal to 1. Now you have to complete and submit your answer.